Click on the link below to get price. The AmScope 3.5X 45X Simul focal stereo zoom microscope on boom stand with a ring is an exceptional piece of equipment that caters to both amateur and professional users alike. With its versatile magnification range, it offers a unique opportunity to explore a variety of specimens, from intricate biological samples to detailed mechanical parts. One of the standout features of this microscope is its simulfocal design, allowing users to switch between eyepieces without losing focus. This is particularly useful in educational settings or workshops where multiple users are examining the same specimen. The build quality of the microscope is commendable. The boom stand is sturdy and adjustable, providing flexibility in positioning the microscope over larger samples. This is especially beneficial for users working with larger projects, as it allows for a stable and secure viewing experience. The ring light, which comes included, illuminates specimens evenly, reducing shadows and enhancing visibility, making it easier to examine fine details. The optical performance of the AmScope microscope is impressive. The zoom functionality operates smoothly, allowing for seamless transitions between magnifications. The clarity and resolution are top-notch, making even the tiniest details easily discernible. Additionally, the wide field of view enhances the user experience, providing a comprehensive overview of the specimen under examination. One minor drawback is that the initial setup may require some time and technical know-how, particularly for those who are new to microscopes. However, once assembled, the user-friendly design makes it easy to operate. Overall, the AmScope 3.5X 45X Simul focal stereo zoom microscope is a fantastic investment for anyone serious about microscopy. Its versatility, coupled with solid construction and excellent optical performance, makes it suitable for a diverse range of applications, from laboratory work to hobbyist exploration. For those seeking a reliable and high-quality microscope, this model undoubtedly delivers exceptional value.